The world is tense, tensions looming across borders. Iran war is far from over. And while many pin their hopes on the Trump-Xi meet, there was a parallel event going on. Something which added a light-hearted note to the otherwise serious diplomatic setting. A highly controversial Tony Stark-esque billionaire, playboy, philanthropist in Red China unexpectedly hogged the limelight and became the talk of the town. Far from the otherwise choreographed serious setting to discuss mighty issues ranging from tariffs, Tehran to Taiwan. So Elon Musk was in Beijing as part of the American business delegation. But what grabbed everyone's attention was his unpredictable behavior. Let's take a look at 5 times when Elon Musk grabbed all the attention from the two presidents who were at the center of talks. While the summit was focused on high-priority issues, Elon's tourist-like behavior had the internet compare him with an excited child rather than a business executive. Elon was spinning in circles, clicking pictures before the formal event, adding a playful contrast to the serious setting. In fact, Elon's spin has become a viral social media sensation in itself, with many calling it the Elon spin. Now let's pan over to the moment when the father-son duo became the unexpected sensation. Elon entered the venue with his son X, who was carrying a dragon-shaped purse and wearing a traditional silk vest. Now I know this is not Cannes and fashion is not priority here. But what caught the internet's attention was the child's relaxed presence and demeanor in an otherwise serious diplomatic setting. The X-China connection did not end there though, as Musk added a personal cultural note by claiming that his son is learning Mandarin. Now the viral selfies that became the talk of the hour. Elon's exaggerated and playful expressions during selfies with Apple's Tim Cook and Xiaomi's Li Jun became meme-worthy content across platforms. The otherwise serious bosses were in stark contrast to the Tesla boss's enthusiasm. Videos and images circulating on social media showed Musk responding with playful smirks and animated reactions when being approached for selfies at the banquet. This, however, highlighted that Musk's unpredictable public persona can dominate online conversations even in formal contexts. And perhaps that's the Elon Musk effect even at one of the world's most serious diplomatic gatherings. He somehow managed to turn a high-stakes summit into an internet moment. Now, how the businessman manages to leverage this remains to be seen. Remember, Elon Musk is the world's richest man. His wealth is primarily driven by the valuations of SpaceX and the market performance of Tesla. The interesting factor in Elon Musk's China visit is his other business that is struggling. X, or the erstwhile Twitter, has been facing flack from not just investors, but also users. Twitter is officially blocked in China, but reports suggest millions of Chinese users access the platform through VPNs. While the US and China EV war continues, Tesla has managed to hold its pole position in the global markets. But if Elon manages to get Twitter unblocked in China, the memes probably still would not stop.